So let's talk about drivers. Now, drivers are a bit advanced, but they're very useful. So in our case, what we're going to do is we're going to add wheels to this cube. So we're going to do Shift A, mesh, cylinder, S, RX90, GY, GZ, GX, GY. There we go. Okay. And what we want is when when the cube moves in the x direction, so GX, we want the wheels to rotate. But before that, let's have the wheels move um, with the cube. So the easiest way is to do a parent. So I'm going to click this one. Now I'm going to select Control P, and this is going to be parent. So I'm going to set parent to object. So now when I move the cube, the cylinder is going to follow the cube. And you can kind of think of it as a mother duck and the little ducklings, right? The ducklings follow the mom. So this little cylinder is becoming a duckling, and then this is becoming the mommy duck. And when I do G, the ducklings follow the cube. So we have that. Now what we want to do is we have the cylinder selected. We're going to go in, you know what, let's do N. And here is rotation. So we have the Y rotation right here. So if I zoom in, you can see that the cylinder is rotating. So what we want to do is we want to have the rotation connected to the cube's location. So I'm going to do right click, insert keyframe. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm going to right click. I'm going to add a driver. And what I want is the X location, which is exactly what I want. Cube. And I'm going to do local, X location, local space. Okay, cool. So we're going to let go, right? So now it's purple. So if I do GX, hopefully you can kind of see that the cylinder is actually moving now. So let's just record this. Let's do G. Let's do go here, 80, GX. So now if we go here, play. The cylinder is rotating. Now, a better way to demonstrate this is let's just do E. Again, this is just to demonstrate it. And look at that. So the wheel is rotating. And the reason why I did that little extrusion is just to show that it's working. So instead of us having to manually animate this now, it's connected to the cube's location. So we don't have to worry about that. So let's just delete this. So Shift E, GX. This Shift E, GX, sorry, GY. So just like that. Oh, yeah, Shift. Oh, I have the keyframes on. Oh, geez. If that happens to you, you're going to do A. You can do X, delete the keyframes. It's no big biggie. GX. GX. That's that one. Let's do GY. There you go. So now if I hit play, let's do this. Record this guy. G over here, GX. So now if we go back here, play, we can see that the wheels are moving in correlation with the movement of the cube. So that is how we can add drivers, and hopefully you can see how powerful they are.